you are fascinated about the world of hacking and cybersecurity, but you don't know where to start, don't worry, you are at the right place. In today's video, we are going to walk you through the comprehensive 8-month plan to become a professional hacker, even if you have zero knowledge about cybersecurity and network. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share the video with anyone who needs it. So now let's dive inside so that you understand how it goes. You are going to learn it month by month and you will understand it. Under the first month, or on the first month, we have computer fundamental. And the computer fundamental, we have computer system basic. Start with basics of computer system like hardware and software. 2. Operating system. Understand the ins and outs of major operating systems like Windows, Linux, and Mac OS, and get yourself comfortable with the command line interface. 3. Virtualization and cloud platform. Learn about virtualization tools like VMware, VirtualBox. Exploit the cloud platforms such as AWS and Azure to understand their importance in the modern computing. On the second month, networking essential. Under networking essential, we have number 1, OSI model and TCP/IP protocol. Study the OSI model and TCP/IP model. These are the foundational for understanding how network operates or how network works. 2. Networking devices and architecture. Learn about various network devices like routers, switches, firewall, and the rest. Network scanning and discovery. Familiarize yourself with tools like Nmap, Nexus to understand how to scan and discover network. On the third month, cybersecurity fundamental. And as cybersecurity fundamental, we have security principle. Grab the core principle of cybersecurity, including threats and vulnerabilities. 2. Security framework and regulation. Study the key frameworks and regulation like NIS, OWASP, and GDPR. Number 3. Risk management and incident response. Learn about security control, risk management, and how to respond to incidents effectively. On the fourth month, web application security. Under web application security, we have web application technology. Understand the architecture and technology behind web applications, including HTML, CSS, Python, and JavaScript. 2. Common web vulnerability. Study the common vulnerabilities such as SQL injection, cross-site script, and cross-site script forgery. Or you can also dive into the top 10 WASP and you will understand it. On the fifth month, hacking fundamental. And the hacking fundamental, we have number 1, which is hacking methodologies. Learn about the various hacking methodologies, including OSS, TMN, and PTES. 2. Hacking tools and techniques. Study and practice with tools like Nmap and Metasploit. 3. Post-exploitation and privilege escalation. Understanding what to do after gaining access and how to escalate privileges. On the 6th month, penetration testing. Under penetration testing, we have penetration testing framework. Learn about the different penetration testing framework and methodologies. 2. Penetration testing tools. Use tools like Kaldino, Barsuit to conduct penetration testing. 3. Practice on vulnerable system. Test your skills on platforms like Hack the Box, Try Hack, Testers Lab, Try to Hack, and the other websites. 7th month, choose a specialization. Under choosing a specialization, we have focus area. Decide what you want to specialize in, whether web application, network security, penetration testing, or cloud security. Any one that you choose. Then we have number 2, advanced topic and tools. Dive into deeper in the advanced topic and specialized tools relevant to your choosing areas. On the 8th month, practice and build a portfolio. Under practicing and building a portfolio, we have number 1, which is bug bounty program. Participate in bug bounty programs like HackerOne, Backcrowd to gain a real-world experience on hacking. Number 2, build a portfolio. Document your work with a detailed write-ups and report to showcase your skills. 3. Consistent practice. Dedicate your time, regulate to practice and refine your skills. And a bonus tip, we have join online communities, take online courses and certificates, read blogs, and read books. Becoming a professional hacker under 8 months is ambitious but achievable. With dedication and consistency, focus on building a strong foundation, practice or practical regulations, and engaging with community. If you found this video very helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share the video with anyone that need it. Happy hacking! See you in the next video, and Alhamdulillah.